Welcome to User and I, the channel where I explore all things UX and UI design. And today I'm back with part 4 of redesigning this landing page for OpenRent. And the area we're working on today is the gallery. So what I'm doing here is redesigning a component I saw on their website. It's basically one of those components where you can drag a section of it, where you can drag the middle element to the right and see an image, and you can drag it to the left and see a different image. So it's like a before and after component. So I'm just redesigning it here to make it fit in with the style of the page that I'm going for. This section is going to sit below the reviews area. So in terms of order, we're going to have customer reviews, and then we're going to start showing exactly what the customer is going to get after they pay for it. If you're not using the Unsplash plugin for Figma, I highly recommend it. It's a very quick way to add imagery to your designs without you having to go on Google and search for them. So here's what the gallery component looks like when it's done. It's got the before on the left and the after on the right. Typically it'd be a different image on the left hand side, but I didn't have anything else. Everything that comes from Unsplash is pretty clean. So what I'm doing now is that I'm just adding some before and after labels and sampling the previous colors we had on the existing landing page, just to make it a bit more clear to the user exactly what we're communicating here. And then all that's left is adding a title to the section just to contextualize it. Now, one of the UX changes I make with all my landing pages whenever I'm using call to actions is that I'm always trying to change the language of the call to action to match the section it's in, because I think it contextualizes it a lot more instead of having a buy now across the whole page or a see more across the whole page. One thing I also wasn't a huge fan of on the existing landing page is they had 2 call to actions, but they chose this style of view now, which pretty much looked like a disabled button with the grey background. So what I did here was added a secondary call to action in where I flipped the colours and made it look a little less important than the main call to action colour, but it still matched the brand. So that's it for this episode, and we're going to move on to the next part on the next video. Thanks for watching.